What is up, guys? Zach Doherty here with another video. As you guys can see, I do have a brand new away travel NBA luggage case. As you guys know, something a little bit different from this channel, but I am a huge basketball fan and a big time NBA fan. And away travel has finally linked up with NBA and they made these awesome NBA travel bags. So I've got one here. It is the regular carry-on, the basketball one. Let's open this thing and let's take a look here. I am really excited about this line. They announced this a few weeks back, and I had to get on this quick list here because this just looks amazing. As I said, huge basketball NBA fan, and it looks like they did an amazing job with these. So again, like I said, this is the regular carry-on luggage bag, and it is the orange basketball. So here, oh wow, so here's the starting portion of it. This is a game changer, away travel here. Look at this. We partnered with the NBA to create luggage that follows you plane side to court side with no rules on how far you can travel. Fans, players, and fellow travelers, welcome to the away team. Really neat, cool little card right on top. And then we have a mesh bag here. Let's get this box out of the way here. So this is what it comes in, this mesh bag right here, which is really cool, as you guys can see. Look at that. NBA mesh bag to kind of hold the luggage bag, which is really cool. Nothing on the back or the sides. Like I said, the wheels kind of come out, and there you go. So it just zips, as you can see right there, and here is the bag itself. So unzips kind of like a coat almost up top. Wow. Just initial. This is really neat, guys. Holy crap, any NBA fan, any basketball fan, this is so cool. So here is the mesh bag itself, and again, folds up to be something pretty small here. So I'm just going to put the mesh bag off to the side, and here it is, guys. Look at this thing. Just incredible. Feels just like a leather basketball. They have their away logo up top right there. As you will decide, you've got a handle. On the side, you got a handle on the top. There is the back, and there is the other side. So if you go through, here is the bottom here, the wheels. So I've heard a lot of great things about away luggage. This is my first bag from away. I've heard their wheels, just the components of the makeup of this bag is really, really good quality, which is awesome. So there's the bottom, which is neat. And then the last portion there is the top. So as you guys can see there, you got a TSA lock, you've got a code here, and then you've got your name tag there, and then your handle in the back, and then if you can see closely there, on the back there, you do have your battery. It does have a built-in battery on the top, which is pretty cool too, and I heard that removes pretty easy as well. So just with that pop, we'll pop that lock right there up top, and we will just unzip this thing quickly. And let's take a look on inside here. So here is the first look then inside. Looks really nice. So it does have that away logo in the middle. You have some NBA logo right there. So on this side, as you guys can see, when you do open it up, I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. So you can see right here, you do have a mesh top, which is really nice. So you can kind of even things out there, break it up into compartments. So you do have a full mesh top right there. You've got some buckles, it looks, down here as well to secure things. And you do have a separator as well, which is really great. So you do have something to separate. And this little middle piece here then does have a zipper here. So you guys can see, so this middle piece is connected right down there. You do have a zipper. It says you are here. Here are some different instruction booklets that it has, which is pretty cool. So that's kind of nice, almost kind of looks like a little bit of a passport there, which is neat. And then here is, it comes with the charger here to charge your battery. So you do have a USB wall outlet and then a small USB cord, looks to be probably 4 or 5 feet, micro USB there. So we'll put that off to the side. So, and then you do have a top compartment here. And this, I believe, oh yeah, this is really nice. So this, you have this little bag in here, which is really cool. So this comes with a little zip bag. You can kind of use this maybe for wet items or dirty clothes or anything like that. So that's really cool. It's a little stowaway that goes in the top. You do have a little clip here, it looks like that, and a button where you can unbutton it there. So you do have this bag that it comes with. Like I said, that is really cool. That just stows away up top, and if you want to use that or you need to use that, you can. So that is really cool. So here's a little bit of a look. I'm just going to unzip the side here. So yeah, it looks like the battery is back in here, right on in the back. If you guys can see, I'll lift this up. The battery then, whoops, is right back there. So that's really nice too. So again, guys, there is the full away luggage, the NBA edition. Like I said, I am a big fan of this partner. And like I said, my first away bag, I'm really excited to use this thing. It just looks absolutely amazing. So again, here's the top again. There is the handle. It looks to extend right up here. And then I see the batteries right in there as well. There's a little component here for the battery to lift up and close, so you can kind of close and put that away. And that battery, guys, does the micros on top to charge. It does have 2 USB ports. It looks like it has a regular 2.0 and a 3.0 up top, which is really neat. Like I said, just stunning, guys. I mean, this basketball luggage is so cool. Any basketball fan, I recommend. I'm really excited to give this thing a use. The handle looks great too. There you guys go, though. Please let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the new away line for the NBA basketball fan. Like I said, this is the regular carry-on. They have a regular carry-on, a bigger carry-on, and then I believe a medium and a very large size bag. But I was just looking for a new carry-on, and this is going to be perfect for me. It has all the bells and whistles that I'm looking for, and then it has that NBA feel too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you do have any questions. Comment down below if you're excited for this new line from Away. I love the partnership. And as always, guys, please make sure you do like this video. Please subscribe. And as always, we will see you in the next one.